Hi everyone and welcome to Crypto Investor. Yes, today we are going to spend some time on making market analysis and improving our Telegram trader. We are going to use our Telegram trader to work and deal with the market for test review and also if the time allows us, I'm going to keep improving the current trading software that are designed and developed. So, I welcome you guys if you just joined the channel, and if you're new to the channel, you can put your thumbs up and subscribe, and it's free. That's also help the channel to grow up a little bit. As I'm not regular on the YouTube, I'm usually really busy. So anytime I get a chance, I will always have time to talk to anyone who have a question and answer any inquiries, any concern he may have. So I welcome you guys, and yeah, uh, a few of you made a great comment before. Some of my followers, uh, some from India, some of them from Australia, and yeah, I see a lot of interest. Also, I see like even though it's not it's more technical, but I see a lot of people are really interested about what I'm sharing right here. So I think I'm going to improve it and make it much better so that anyone could take advantage of it. And yeah, so let me just open the MT5. I'm using MT5 and MT4 to work on this platform. We are using those professional financial investment tools software. Uh, we are working with the international platform. This one, MT5, we are developer there. We are working together. We have customers and around the world, and so if you feel like you have a strategy that you would like to implement, and feel free to inbox me, and yeah, I would see if we can handle it, and then we will let you know. We been in the market for like 4 years now, 4 years enrolled in the crypto and the financial market. So we we are pretty much aware of what's going on, and in any market, even in the stock market, we are also in. So also, by the way, this is not I'm not a financial advisor. So uh, before you invest your money here, always place your money. Use the amount of money that you will be able to lose without any problem. Do your own investment decision. Uh, I'm not a financial advisor first. Okay, so now that I'm going to open this Telegram. The London session will start soon. Today is Sunday here in my current locations. We This afternoon, this is really is a Sunday. The market will resume soon, maybe within the next 2 or 3 minutes for the forex market. And yeah, the bank will start with a new volume. They will come with new volumes, and then we'll see where we are heading to. So what's going on? Where are we coming from? When I look at the market, from now, when we look at the Euro USD, we are coming from a long run, moving from 1005 up to it was one. When was that? It started from March 14, 3 a.m. up to today, the April 19, where we reach the value of 1.0989. So it has an increased value. The euro was much appreciated against the US dollar, and that's also the reason why the crypto market, especially the BTC market, has gained a lot of value, up to 30,000, a lot of interest. So usually with this consolidation, if it's not strong enough, what will we expect? We are expecting this market to keep going down. We are going to retest this 108. We are going to try to retest that 108, and then if it's not strong enough, if it's strong enough, what I mean, if it's strong enough, if the European market is strong enough, we are going to see the higher price around. The new target will be around 120 for the new targets. But with the current economics and the uncertainty that we have in the current economy, I don't think that I'm really pessimistic about it, because I don't think that the euro market will keep going up to 120, something like that. So I'm pretty much sure that uh, we are going to short this market around the range of 108, 107 again. So for my strategy right now, if I take a partial here, if I take a position right now at this stage, my exit, if it reach 110, I would take my exit point will be there. So I can risk maybe just 1%. I risk 1% here for 110. If we reach that 110, I close all the positions and start shorting the market. This is the strategy that I will implement for the whole week. And if it doesn't work, then no problem. At least my stop loss will be able to avoid me a huge losses in the market here. So this is a little bit of speculation right now. So I'm going to use the trend. Let's see the average directional movement index. Let's see where we are heading to. For example, as you can see, the signal line is here. Is trying to go up. Coming from which volume? We were at 39 here. Now at this period of 14. Right now the period is 14 and the DI is 18 compared to the first one that was 39. Okay, So if you can see that when we reach the peak here, this is the peak up on top of this peak is a sign of uptrend, but with a retest is an uptrend, but with a retest. So maybe going like low high or not low high, but high low. That's how it works. High low from high low, how it's trending high low, and then high low high low high low high. So you're going to be like a triangle going sideways and then spike up to the highest boundary. Yeah, the market is now open. So if I take a look of the new chart, let's see what I look like now. What's happened? From now, everything is stable, but you can see that with this basic view, we don't even have the ability to see exactly what's going on. Like it's so simple, but it doesn't give you enough information to make your own analysis when you are using MT4. To adjust that, if either you have your own expert advisor that already have the setting that will allow you to display exactly what you want, the type of candle you want to see, or something like engulfing pattern and also other different pattern you may want to use, or you can set the background with the color that you want by going just on the chart, go to property, and then you change the different colors of your background. If the bar is down, you click the color red, for example, or tomatoes. For the build candle, maybe I can set up this type of colors, and the bear color is a white, and so on. You do that, you can see the difference. And then if I what can I do here, if I change again, I want a different type of because I was setting up the foreground. Now I need to set the background. If I use this blue color, the blue color used to be too strong for the highs. So if I take this one, even this one is too strong for highs. uh, yeah, but it looks much better. Now we can have a good view of what's going on, how the candlestick look like. For now, you can see this engulfing pattern. It looks like we are going either up or down, but if you go and look at the market analysis, what we will have here, everything is try to go, it try to make a reverse to see if the volume we are going to test, traders are going to test shorting. uh, they are going to try to short this market. If the European market is not strong enough, then this one will be a very bad candle, a really bad candle, since the market just as the market just opened. uh, so we will see where we're heading to. But the overall trend of the market right now is so uncertain because nobody knows exactly. And if this market reach 110, 111. Expect also the BTC market to to keep up, to go up to like 30,000 again and try to retest 32,000 or something like that. Everything will depend of the power of the US dollar right now. So let's take a look of the Australian dollar against the US dollar, because those are much tradable currency. Like let's see, this is a 1 hour time frame. Uh, in the 1 hour time frame, you can see that we are coming from a consolidation area. So yeah, maybe the probability of the Australian dollar right now is to moves up. If you we look at the 1 hour time frame, it looks like the market will keep going up. Since you can see we come from January, since January where we reach the target of 0.71, and we move backward up to down to 0.66. Really, I don't know how much is that. Like we went down from 5 units, 0.05 units. That's a lot in just January, from January to April. So now we this market, if you have a huge balance with a long-term goal, you may be long. You may go long here, mm, long here, and you have your target around 69 or 68, something like that. Something around there. So you target 69, 68, and yeah, within the next, if everything change, you may get your money back, uh, and try to avoid a really large margin, uh, large margin in the market, especially with this type of risk because of uncertainties. Uh, we have these conditions, consolidation area. We are in the consolidation, market is consolidating, and then within the week, usually Monday and Tuesday is for the European market usually, and Thursday and Friday usually is for the US dollar. Uh, that time the US dollar used to be really strong. So I mean, most people in the market already know that most who are used to it. Uh, if we try to use the Fibonacci retracement line here, what type of data are we gonna get back from this? Let's see. With the Fibonacci retracement zone, let's see. I'm using this. want to draw that background with yellow color, and so you use this grid. This market will go up. We are going to go up here. Let me now use the fractal to check what's going on for my own visualization. I'm going to use the fractal. Let me use it. Just click, choose. You can see the fractal here is ambiguous. It's like go up and down. It makes no sense right now. Right now we have it's like we have an equal number of buyer and seller, so nobody is actually in the trend. Everybody is scared. Yeah, nobody knows exactly where the market is going. So right now for me it's not a good time to join the trade, even though with this type of engulfing pattern I think the market will keep going up. uh, the market will keep going up. If you look at this center, if I can draw, let me see if I cannot draw anymore here. Let's see this. This is the shape. Just wanted to draw here. So this is the engulfing pattern. You can see that with this candle coming from here, we had a bull. This was a really bull candle where we had uh, this fractal. We had the first one which was down, meaning the market is going up. The second one was the confirmation, and the second one was there, and the reversal was not there. So we had two confirmation here, and with those confirmations, the market just kept on going up and up and up. It kept going up to reach the 67,860. So with someone who had a position open right here with a good trading stop, and he was able to have a good profit if he was smart enough to adjust his position the right way. He would have been able to make a good maybe up to 10% on return on investment, 10 or 20% exactly. So for now, the market seems to go also up because we are coming back from a drawdown. So the general trend here, in my own observation, with this consolidation, the market will try to go up again. If it's not strong enough, then we will short. And even if we short the market is not giving up, because I think a lot of people are seeing this spot as the buying, the really opportunity area. This is a place to buy at the discount. You buy at the discount and you trade at the profit target. This is so in the Australian market. I think the market will go up, very likely, except if Monday, the confirmation of this trend will be on Monday, If Monday night at 4 a.m., for example, like 4 a.m. will be around maybe 8 a.m. in the European market. Uh, uh, if we had the trend of short for your US dollar, then the market will go down. Then I will have a confirmation for going short. But overall, the trend is up. And if this market is up, what does that mean? It means also the BTC market will go up because they are always working together. The BTC network, the European market, and the Australian, the US dollar, they are going. Uh, they are not independent. They are also work at the same because the same investors, most of them are now working with the BTC market. Some of them, most of, I mean, uh, when you diversify your portfolio, if you always have some amount of BTC in your market in your wallet. If you are not regulated with high capital, you have something. So uh, the Fibonacci let me know that this is the place to exit. Uh, the first target will be at this candle closer. You can see which where we had this fractal. This fractal hop give us the signal for selling. We have a confirmation with the second one, and you can see the market went down. But now we have the next one is at the bottom, which means that the market could go up. But so the signal here is a little bit ambiguous. So it is a little bit ambiguous. It's an ambiguous signal because it's not clear enough. Now I think the market will go up. The market will go up here. So they are nothing. They are really nothing for now. But to have that confirmation, I want to make sure that I check the volume of what's going on. Let me check the volume in the market. What type of volume? We have unbalanced volume here. Well, right now we don't have enough money in the European market. We don't have enough balance. Not enough trader right now. Not much activity. You can see the volume is just 44,670 here. Is let's see. When we were at these tips, the volume was at 40,970. But right now, how much is that? You can see 44 400 minus 670, and up here we were at minus 4970. So we had a decreased value of money in the of supply right now. We had a decreased value of supply. Uh, Now let's go back to trading view and see. This is the Australian dollar. Let's see how it looks like and the forex market. We want to check Australian dollar. The Australian dollar gives us this type of data. we have some buyers. We are in the consolidations. The demand is at up to 6. You can see that the bet is up to 66983, and the target is 0.7 right here. So the market will go up. The market will go up here because we are coming back from this really low drawdown 0555. We are coming back from that drawdown, which were, I don't know what time was that again. I'll check it later. The market will go up here. Much likely, we have a high probability for this market to bounce back, but it would depend. It would depend of the volume we have in the market on Monday. If on Monday we have enough volume, then this market will continue long. If not, the US dollar will fight back. The US dollar will fight back here. All right, so now let's work with trade experts. So I think we went around everything. I took a look of everything that I want, except let me check. Let me just check the last one, which is the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq is at the lowest at the moment. We have this consolidation area, so we are expecting this market to bounce back, coming back from this really high drawdown where the US dollar was fighting back. So we are expecting this market to go up. This you buy here, you buy at the discount, because this is a really good discount on the Nasdaq. You buy at the discount, you capitalize on it at the top 60, 62, 61. You have a good tight stop loss. You place your good tight stop loss somewhere around with the Fibonacci zone. Good tight stop loss, because this is a consolidation, and anytime you have a consolidation, it means that either the buyer or seller are tired, and it will either bounce up or down. It depends of the trend. It will depend of the trend of the market, but currently the trend of the market, it was down. So we are hoping that to see this one bounce back. We have a high probability, even a trader with technical traders indicator, the high probability of these things to go up with the general trend of this market. All right, so let's just run trade experts, and they do the job. Before I run it, I want to make sure that I adjust the amount of open orders that will be on the charts. Open windows, because this is a multi-currency expert advisor, and he use every time frames, uh, with his own defined and combined strategies. right. Okay, let's go back. So let me turn on Trade Expert and then see how it look like if it allow me to. Back to settings. Okay, see. Actually, this color, um, I don't like this background color too much, but anyway. You can see that this is the support and the resistance zone is there. You can see that we have a delimitation. Uh, my bot allow me to see exactly where the support and resistance line is, and what's the range. This the support line is for 1 hour time frame. Currently the trend of the market in the Nasdaq against US dollar is what? Trend is up, trend is down, trend is up. uh, the trend is up. We have a stop loss, buy stop loss up here. You can see that my bot was able to place some orders, buy stop order up there. So right now he has no open position because it's too risky. When you look at how the market evolve, and you see like the high probability for market to goes up is around 61 675. So right now he has no open position. He has placed nothing at the bottom. So if you feel like you can goes up, I mean if the market will go in your favor with a long, you can open a long here and wait for the target of my bot around 61 760 there. uh, because if it doesn't meet the requirements, my bot will short the market. If it doesn't reach the requirement to open a long position right here, the bot will start shorting the market with the range. uh, Let me set the view. I want to view my terminal. um, is the view here. Terminal will say what? The terminal will display. Okay, we have some news here. You can see currently I'm having issue because it say too many requests. I have to handle that because requesting so many news events. Uh, you, I need to adjust that. Let's see, we have some titles. Yeah, the expert advisor is doing the job. Well, now we also have a new one. The other expert advisor I'm also using right here is called Hope, and with Hope you will see the Hope work, and you will be amazed. And also Hope, because they are both they are doing almost the same thing, but with some difference. With Hope, the Hope has a high profitability. Sometimes it goes up to 79%. Sometimes it goes around 11, 19. So the range of that profitability is two between 2 to 79 to 79.5, uh, which is awesome, especially because it depends on the type of currency and how you place your position in the market. uh, really awesome too. Let's see. I'm going to back here. What's going on? Okay, this time it works. So let's test. Can see by yourself. Oh my god. Sorry about it. Have some critical error here at 467. So going back to 467, you have this index error 467 corresponds to the draw, which means the index to draw here is not correct. Uh, Well, it's not gonna work since it's not gonna work like that. Something went wrong. Anyway, I can use this one. Okay. Can see the difference right now. Um, with this strategy, we have the ability to avoid huge losses. You can see. You can see even if he loses a position here, he's able to recover. He seems to lose everything, but he recover and recover with a huge profit. See how he save your position. As he saved his close earlier, he avoided a huge drawdown on the account, and now you have your balance which is stable. So if you have just an increase of 1% in your overall account, that's a lot. That's a lot because you are saving a lot of money, and with that money you can reinvest and adjust and so on and so on until you make a decent amount of money in the market. So one thing is to trade, one thing is to make profits, and another thing is to make profit, to be profitable. uh, you can be profitable, but you are losing all your income, the profit that you make in the market. So you can have a good strategy, but your money management strategy is so poor in a way that in such a way that you will lose all the amount of money you earn in the market. So money management and trade strategy are equally important. If you're a trader or investor in the market, those are stuff that you have to be aware of. You really have to be aware of those things because with a good money management system, you can make good money, decent amount of money. But with poor money management system, you will lose even your capital, the whole amount of your capital in the market, and this just in a lapse of a second. Uh, you can see how much he earned. You will see the time he is being invested. Like he invests, he open the position, the market goes down. He open, the market keep going down, but he doesn't close the first one. He opened the second, the market was going down. He closed the second one, and but when the market change and try to go up, pull up, he gain the previous losses. He recover from the previous losses and makes profit at the top. So overall, look at this expected profit factor. You can see 4%. 4 The profit factor is just 408, and the total amount of trade number of trade is 42. The drawdown is just $18. And if you look at the relative drawdown, is 0.33% of drawdown. So this strategy is amazing because if you compound it over the time, and if it works exactly that way, you will always make money. You will always make money, especially with 4%. uh, it's a big deal. And not only that, sometimes you overperform. Like it can perform better in other currency than this one, because I'm using the Nasdaq. And if I try to use different currency. Let's say, for example, US dollar and Canadian dollar. Let's see what we are going to see here. Now he opened short. I don't know why, but he opened short. So you see, he opened short and he made profit. You see, so it surprised me. I'm just surprised. But now, look, it just went up to like how many? So he was losing. Right now, he was losing. He lose this entry point. He lose. He went up to there, but he hold the position for a long time because he had enough margin to cover it. So, and he hold that position for that long amount of time until he get to the point where he can open a new one again. So these avoid multiple trade open trade, and avoid you to lose also a lot of money without applying your own strategy. You can see now he lose this one, but it just 001, because he lost. Maybe he will lose something like $12, so it's not that a big deal. Uh, but if you recover it, it will recover the double of that price, and get the money back. Look, now you earn 23 $31 extra on your income, uh, coming back from the previous loss. Open short, first one, it didn't went through. He opened the second, is losing, so he already have 002 size, lot size open, but which is now in the loss, uh, because he has a good he use a risk percentage in the money management system. He adjusts the stop loss based on that. uh, it allows us to only lose the amount of percentage that we say we want to lose in the account if the trade goes against us. And he hold the position. He hold the position. Market want to go up. He's still holding. Holding. But at the time the market will go back to the entry point, uh, it will be able to get the money back, and it will. I think it will double the size to earn from the reversal. So this is like a trap, just like a trap in your trading strategy. Use a trap to understand what's going on in the market. With that trap, is able to actually see and know when to take a position or not. So instead of having up to 10,000, 5,000 in your account and losing all the money that you have within the next 6 months, or maybe 12 months for for most people, uh, you can instead use this one. You use this one, it give you just 1%. 1%, 1%, 2%, 3%, and you keep your capital, is a good strategy. But you can see here overall, with the since you can see I'm testing the period that I'm testing it for the whole time up to 2023 here, and he has only been able to earn just this amount of money, and then something happened. He lost up, or the $37 up to 96. You can see he lost everything, and he only left with -$4 here. So he was not profitable. But the good thing is that he didn't uh, created a lot of drawdown in your account. So you are saving something, you are left with something that you can reinvest, and with a good strategy and good money management, you can get your money back. And so with the we can now know that with the US dollar and Canadian dollars, this strategy did not perform well, and we can adjust that strategy by changing the take profit and the stop loss strategy here, because overall everything is fine. Now let us try with the US dollar and the Danish coin, the Denmark currency. With the Denmark currency, let's run and see what's happened. So this is a loss. He opened short, he went up to it, and I maybe lost like $4 or $5. And now he opened long. He just took a small position. The market was going to reverse, but something occurred. It didn't reverse at that time, and start consolidation, and now reversal. He took a short position there. See this, and so on and so on. You can see his entry. The market goes against him. He tried to hold. Yep, he took his profit. He got that profit. Now he short. Then he short again. Profit. You can see. Um. So right there, you can see how the balance, equity balance, is moving up or down. Another strategy could be to double the size when we have like up to two orders that are wrong, and it reach the reversal point again. We want to open a short and double the size so that we maximize our profit target. This is another strategy for money management. You can see that overall my functions uh, strategy is okay. I have a return of, I don't know, maybe 19 $20. Let's see the report. Gross profit is $19. uh, Absolute drawdown is 11.37. And yeah, the expected payoff here is not written. I don't know why they do that, but maybe they don't have enough data for that. uh, if we use Australian dollar and Nasdaq, I like to use currencies that have less volume. If they have less volume and the both trade well, it will be able to trade well also in the European market or the other assets. If you trade well on some currencies that don't have enough volume, you will also be able to trade well on those currencies who has enough volume. So that's the key point here. That's why I'm testing it on this type of market. Here I'm using the RSI, uh, the balance, the volume, but other strategy also is not only it's only that one. You can see that after this ranging, this consolidation, the market went down, and with that down, we had a profit of $10. And since it closed the position, it didn't open it again. You can see it did not open. It hold. Now there you go, and you can see that it works with different currency, right? Uh, it works with different type of currencies. So it doesn't open a position without a good signal or a good probability for him to make profit. Now he has 3 open positions. Well, if you're a trader and you have a bot who is doing something like that, you just have to trust the bot and trust the market. You leave the bot doing the job, but you open another position, maybe sideways. You control the market with that position. Like if that position goes in favor in the direction of the bot, then you make a double profit. Uh, if it goes against the bot, you close that position. You assess the risk, and if the risk is too high, you just close the position of the bot and leave the bot take another position for you. Uh, that's how we adjust it because for now, anytime this thing occur, it means that we don't have enough data. Like we don't have enough data here. Um, we don't have enough data on the Australian dollar. Anyway, but this expert advisor is derived from hope derived from this expert advisor, and the hope is just the beta version of the bonus expert advisor. The hope allow you to actually make a good double your reward. It help you double your rewards and make actually a decent amount of return on your investment without having to risk the entire capital. But actually, I don't know why something went wrong. Maybe I play around and I just mistakenly I made something wrong, and now I'm having issue with the index here. I have to debug, and I don't want to do it on live stream. I don't want to do it live. Um, I don't want to do it right there. So it's gonna be something later on. I will do it later. Um, let's go back and see the other ones. So if I had the right, I would have made this thing works for the crypto market, but this is not my property. It's not my software, so I cannot load the crypto data on the MT4. So I'll leave the people who are responsible to do that, to do it. But yeah, but it would be great to have the MT4 trader for cryptocurrencies. This platform, the power of the MT4 and MT5 is just that they allow you to build your strategy and invest in the market. So to design and build it easily, you can have multiple trading strategy in the same application instead of having to design step by step in another programming language. Here you have everything you need and the platform to work on. That's why even though the language of MT5 is old enough, it's still more useful because of the speed and the and the strategy that it allows trader to use in the market. So it's been there for a long time. It's been here for a long time. Yeah, I think it's been here to stay. Um, we are just going to develop some framework that will help improve the system and so on. Yeah, but nothing else. Um, when I wake up today, I say this market was going up, and this is a confirmation. Uh, when I started this live stream, the market is keep going up right now. You can see my trend line is there. It's going up, and trend line is there, even though. Oh, let's see Australian dollar. Yeah, it started at 66700. Now it's 200. So everything, and now it's 900. So everything seems to go upward. Right. So let me test Telegram Trader. Uh, let me test it. Let's go back to Telegram. I'm gonna try to use Telegram again and work on that if they allow me to do so. I need to sign in back. All right, we use Forex. This is the first user bot that we use here. Um, let's see. It's not responding, so I have to reload it. Oh, yeah, sir. We got some response back. No, no. I have to load it. Well, okay, this one is the trade expert, but he has no answer. Here we have the MT5 trader, Telegram trader. I'm gonna reload it. Need to view toolbar navigation. Okay, go to navigator. You click on Telegram trader. Telegram trader. You click on your setup, your settings. Telegram signal trader setup. Now you okay. Yeah, the expert has expired. So I'm gonna try to adjust it. Okay, you can see that now we are on. Let's go back. There we go. So here, this is the balance. We have a balance here. We have a total number of orders. We got our equity, initial margin, and the margin maintenance, commission blocks. So let's see if I get a quote now. Okay, this market had an increase of 11%. We will keep going up here on the Australian and Canadian dollar. The market will keep going up, and so I'm going to open a long position right there. Let's see this one, European market, and okay, this market don't have enough volume, but more very slow. Here we have an increase of so everything seems to go up with the European market right now. The European market has an earning. What does that mean? It means that the crypto market also, the overall trend of the crypto market is up, is long. It's long here. If you don't believe what I'm saying right now, just go on TradingView. Try to make your analysis based on the crypto market and this financial market. Try to see some correlations, and you will see by yourself if what I'm saying is right or wrong. Look at some correlation, and you will see. Here I'm going to open a sell stop. Here we have an open order. If I go back and look at the tab toolbar, what is that? Toolbox. It's toolbox. Okay, you can see that I've opened a position, right? This is a position that I open. This is a sell stop order, but one of my problem right now is that my stop loss and take profit is not correct, so I will have to adjust that as well to give it the right value. um, if I click on the sell, this is the market request, I think. Let's go back. It's not gonna open. Why? There is some error. Say order invalid request. So my request is not correct. Why is that? Because I haven't selected uh, the right currency. So if I click, let's see, then I say buy, you can see that we have an open deal, response back, and if I go and check, now we have an order, right? This is a live order, market order. We have a take profit at 98.93, and the price is at how much? The current price is 99.03. Yeah, so it makes sense now. It actually makes sense, right? um if I go back and try to take a shot, open a shot, because let's say you are working and you are also investing in the market, and you want to control while you are at work, you want to control your portfolio. The best way you want, because you are using this platform MT4, MT5, you want a way to view exactly your computer, to view what's going on in your computer, because if you are using TradingView or so on, other chart viewer, is not going to be the same as the one you have designed yourself, your own trading bot or your own trading environment. It's not going to be the same. So this solution help you to do that, to control your portfolio, to control your trade. You just have to click time frame 1 hour, for example. Here, what does that mean? This template mean the type of indicator you want to take a screenshot with. But since I don't have those one loaded on my MT5 account, they are not reloaded. It's not gonna work. You have to actually add the different type of indicator you would like to have on your template, and then you will be able to take a screenshot with them, like this one. This indicator is called adaptive moving average. You can take that name, or Bollinger Band. Take that name, you write or you type. If it's not available, you just have to type it. uh, let's see, because if it's not available here, you cannot type. Okay, let's see how much. Okay, think I'm correct now. It's send. Okay, so now we have a screenshot. You can see a screenshot of your chart, independently of other chart view options that you may have, and these allow you to control your platform remotely, remotely on Telegram. So, and if you want to bot to receive a signal and trade, you have to define the specific type of signal, because I see a lot of people who want to trade with signal. Maybe they have a signal provider, for example, like this channel that has a lot. You can maybe, if this channel provide a signal, for example, I say entry point, exit point, something like that, and it say this is the time to enter to join the market, right? If they do, and you want your bot to do the same thing, you have to let us know. Uh, we can configure the bot and it will do the same thing. It will read the signal and open the trade based on that. For example, this bot only open a trade based on the Euro USD. If the signal is buy and the symbol is Euro USD, for example, it will open a trade, a buy order. So for example, if I write buy, and now I say at, and then I say Euro USD, let's see what will happen. It will open a trade. It will open a trade. If it doesn't work, then something wrong. Maybe it's not, that option is not available, or I'll have to adjust the error that prompt there. So let's see, at sell at Euro USD. Okay, let's see the reply. So it's not gonna work here. So it looks like that options uh, has been deleted. So, but with the total amount of trade that I have open right now, you can see is one. This is a one trade. The other one is a pending order. That's why it's different. The live trade that I have is only one, and we are shorting the market. But because we are shorting, we are already in a loss. So the market seems to go up here. Alright, I think that's it for now. Hope you guys enjoy, learn something from here, and yeah, see you next time on the next episode on Crypto Investor for more opportunities and so on. Bye bye.